Let's come outside early and garden. Nope. Even at 6:44 in the morning, it's still raining. I just want to plant flowers. All right, we'll try it again.
The next day.
Oh my goodness. It literally started raining as soon as I went and changed out of my work clothes. It started raining. There go my shovel. Ready and waiting to go play. I'm sad. It's been raining since Sunday. It's been raining. Oh, I just want to go. I just want to go plant my flowers. And it's raining. Again. And I think it's going to rain all week because there's Hurricane Francine out in the Gulf. Actually, I think it made landfall in Louisiana already. There's 3 other systems out there. So, yeah, it's going to be raining. A lot. And it literally just stopped. Okay, I can at least get outside for 20 minutes. And when I went inside the house and I was playing with my kids, yeah, I've been inside for about 20 minutes. So those 20 minutes I was going to use the garden, well, I was spent hanging out with my children, so that works. It's not raining that bad. It's just sprinkling. I think I can go and just do that border right there. Like, I just need to get that whole border right there done. I think I can do it. So my husband said, it's not really raining. You can make it. So here's his vote of confidence. To get some holes dug. So since it's raining, I don't want to get my microphone wet, so I'm not going to be doing much talking, so I'm not bringing my microphone out. So I'm just going to try and get these holes dug as quickly as possible.
Alright, so here are the plant tags. We got yellow marigold French, marigold or hot pack orange marigold. Look at my fingers. So these are 2 marigolds I have in here, and I won't water them because it's raining, so the ground is already hydrated. They already got hydration, and I don't think the mums had a tag on them. Nah, just a sticker, garden mums. Doesn't have an actual tag on it for the mums. So I got those 2 mums at, this is Ace Hardware. Oh yeah, I got these 2 at Hagen Ace Hardware. And that's it for this border. I'm going to leave the other items there because they're supposed to be for the containers, so I'll do those later.
2 weeks later.
Alright, so today is September 29th, and I went and got these from the side garden, and I'm going to put them along here and put down some mulch next to the marigolds. But look at my marigolds. They are they have a lot of buds on them, so they're going to be bursting up with flowers soon, so I'm excited for that. And if you saw the mums the last time, look at them. They are very orange. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just taking them and putting them in here, and this will keep the soil and the mulch back, and will also just create a nice decorative border. I still need to come in and power wash it, but we're gonna do this all the way down. So we have these lined up, and now we're gonna put the mulch down. If you mess with them, they'll bite you. We're gonna put some mulch back here. Just with the black mulch alone, it's starting to look good. And look how pretty it looks, guys. Wow. Just having some mulch or topsoil or even compost make your garden look so much better. And yes, I'm leaving my hibiscus that my daughter put in there. It's going to be a hibiscus mums. And no, I did not do the rest of the garden yet. We're still working on it, so I'm gonna mulch that next. I just used the 5 bags. Imagine there's 5 bags right here. So I just used the 5 bags that I had in this little section here. But that's my marigolds. Now, you remember that yellow flower I saw? I'm not sure if I saw that at Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm thinking of getting it and putting it in between the marigolds. If I go back and I see it or I see something else, I'm gonna get it from my marigolds back here. But they have a lot of buds. Let me show you. They have a lot of buds on them already, and I can't wait for them to be in big blooms, in a lot of blooms. But let me show you the buds that are on there. Right here, go close up. Look at that. And look at all those unopened buds over there. Here go the orange. So yep, they all have a lot of buds waiting to be opened up, so can't wait. All right, on to the next project, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy gardening. Bye.